What's up, piglets? Welcome to the pig pen. I have been bullied relentlessly about my forehead, as evidence here. How is your forehead that size? And here, the only reason your forehead isn't 10 inches is because of the wrinkles. For now, it's just 7. I don't quite get that one. I think they were making fun of the wrinkles in my forehead. And they also said it means your forehead's bigger than the chessboard. Um, I know I have a big forehead, it's evidenced here, but I'm sick of being bullied by these children. So today, we're gonna play with some clip-on bangs. Because as we know, a woman's sole purpose is to be visually pleasing to the eye. So if people think I look janky, I mean, I'm not fulfilling my purpose as a woman. These are our clip-in bangs. These are our clip-on bangs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, how do we use these? Recho. Clip-in hair bangs. And we've got to take out the bangs. Oh god. Okay, I've taken out the bangs. Taken out the bangs. Part your hair down the center. I think I've already kind of done that. Place the bangs near the crown of your head. Okay. How the fuck? Ugh. I can't get this fucking hairnet off. How the fuck do I get this off? Place the bangs near the crown of your head, but it doesn't tell me how to get them out of here. What the shit? Oh! I did it. I did it. Okay. What's funny is they say to place them near the crown of your head, and the crown of my head is about right here, which just proves how big my forehead is. Okay, that's actually not. We're just gonna get this attached. Okay. Okay. Maybe I think the little kids are gonna stop bullying me about my forehead now. Well, now we need some makeup to go with this look. These are very soft. Now we need some eyeliner, okay? I can't. You guys are getting to see my makeup face. Oh my god, look how cute we look. Okay, now we're gonna do some mascara, because that's gonna make our eyeliner being janky not look as bad. You can't even tell there. Like, did you know these are not my real bangs? Maybe we should do. There we go. We look great. We look great. Okay. Oh, shit. Does anybody have any opinions on what color eyeshadow we use? Now, I need you to take into account my outfit. We want pink, yellow. Pink and yellow, eh? Which pink are we thinking? Okay, we can do pink, yellow, and red. Okay. Pink. Oh, let's get a little crazy with it. Okay, pink. We're gonna line this with pink. I just wiped this on my mouse pad for some reason. We got yellow and red we still need to add. Okay. Yellow. Oh God, you guys, I just wanted to be pretty for you and I'm failing. Oh my God, I'm failing. This goes here. Oh yes, we are gorgeous. We are so gorgeous. Fuck you, Minecraft kids. I'd like to see you bully me now. You look like Uma Thurman when she OD'd in Pulp Fiction. That is not the first time I've heard that, actually. Night Coffee. Not the first time. Okay. What's wrong with Minecraft? I feel personally attacked right now. Um, there is nothing. Well, Night Coffee, it's the first time I've been called the overdosing one. So you get snaps for that. You get snaps for that. Houndinsy, there's nothing wrong with Minecraft. It's just some of the children that play it are bullies. They are bullies. Okay, they get on Twitch because you can't prank call people anymore. So they get on Twitch when they're having their little sleepovers and they like to come into chat and tell me I have a giant forehead, okay? And tell me my forehead's bigger than the chessboard. Not all Minecraft kids. My chat are bullies too. Oh my gosh. You've not heard comedy till you've heard the 12-year-old trash talk online. That is so true. Okay, we're gonna do our red now. Oh, that's glorious. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my God. Okay, there's our beautiful eyes. Okay, guys, which lipstick color do we do? Which lipstick color do we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we've got a what? We got a 6. We've got a 4. Okay. Let's try it. We're gonna need our lip liner. Do you know how long it's been since I have worn lipstick and liner? Okay. Let's try and make these a little bigger. Okay. And we said brown. This is number 6. Oh, we are so pretty. Yas. Oh. Mm. Okay. We need some blush. Oh shit, I don't really have any blush, but I've got a blush brush. And it's my shadow. So look at that. Oh, look how cute. I could not be more pleased with this look. So I think if I were gonna review these bangs, I'd give them Richo clip-in hair bangs. They were like $6. And, you know, I don't think $6 is too much to pay for preventing bullying about an oversized forehead. So yeah, I'd totally recommend these. You can't even tell they're not my real bangs. And I think the makeup we've chosen really ties the whole look together. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down button, and we're done. We're done.